Kittens often like to sit on people's feet for several reasons. 1. Warmth. Feet, like other parts of the human body, emit heat. Kittens, being small and less capable of retaining heat, seek out warm spots to sit and rest. 2. Security and comfort. Being close to their owners makes kittens feel secure. Sitting on feet provides a physical connection and comfort. It's also a way for kittens to bond with their human caregivers. Physical proximity helps strengthen their attachment. 3. Attention seeking. Kittens crave attention and interaction. Sitting on feet is a way to ensure they are noticed and possibly get some petting or playtime. Curiosity and exploration. Feet carry the scent of the person and the various places they have been, making them interesting to kittens. Feet are constantly moving, which can intrigue and attract playful kittens. Territorial behavior. By sitting on or near their owner's feet, kittens might be marking their territory and expressing ownership over their human. Imitation of natural behavior. Following instincts. In the wild, kittens stay close to their mothers and litter mates for protection and warmth. This behavior can translate to staying close to their human caregivers. Conclusion. Kittens sit on feet for warmth, security, attention, curiosity, and instinctual reasons. This behavior strengthens their bond with their human companions and provides them with comfort and a sense of safety.